In hygienic industries, purity is a top priority. Did you know that tubes and fittings make up 90% of the fluid's surface contact throughout the process flow? They serve as the vital backbone of hygienic process lines, connecting all equipment. For more than 100 years, Alfa Laval has supplied high-quality tubes and fittings for hygienic and pharma processes. Our entire product portfolio ensures optimized production processes, reduced downtime and increased yield. It is all about safety, reliability, efficiency and sustainability. Safety is crucial. Therefore, Alfa Laval tubes and fittings are designed with cleanability in mind. They comply with all international standards and offer full traceability. Reliability is essential. Our high-quality tubes come in many sizes to fit any purpose. Likewise, our wide range of fittings includes bends, tees, different types of connections, reducers and many more. Efficiency is a must. Smooth inner surfaces ensure consistent flow rates and easy cleaning. Besides, our tubes and fittings fit perfectly together with all equipment for simple and fast installation. Sustainability plays a key role. From choice of materials and optimum designs to long service life, we help companies fulfill their sustainability targets. With local presence in more than 100 countries, our fluid handling experts are ready to help you specify, service and support your process lines. Because your product deserves only the best.